In this tutorial, I will show you how to dynamically set user menu. This feature allows you to dynamically set a personalized user interface element inside your bot conversations. This is an easy way to help people discover and access the core functionality of your bot at any point in the conversation. Persistent menu and user menu are not the same. Bot persistent menu is the general menu on bot, which all users can access, while user menu is not general and they can be specific to each user. Meaning you can set user menu A for contact A and set user menu B for contact B. In this case, both contact A and contact B will not have same menu whilst they are interacting with same bot. That is powerful. Let me show you how to dynamically create and set user menu. The menu was set instantly. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.